topic is all about war crimes. War crimes is a violations of international humanitarian law, which is the IHL. Accordingly, war crime is serious violations of the IHL, especially in the law of war. Ang war crime is nagmade siya for the intentionally killing of civilians using prohibited weapons, torturing prisoners, or causing unnecessary suffering. War crimes is just individual criminal acts, but not only individuals, but also political affiliated, just like government. The one war crimes who have been made is in times of war, just like the soldiers, law enforcement. Accordingly, war crimes is held responsible for them. Uh, for the for the government affiliated is just legislative powers, just like the president, minister, powerful people, uh, rich people. Accordingly, war crime is it is an activity that that we can see some example of murder, torture, mutual mutilation, attacks on civilians, sexual violence and pillaging, and many more. War crimes is ang ibig sabihin nito is yung pagmamalupit ng government affiliated sa mamamayan ng tao. Also, war crimes is implemented by the International Criminal Court, which is the ICC. Example in the Philippines is we have a war on drugs, just like our former president is having some just like the extrajudicial killing of the drug users. That is the example of war crimes in the Philippines. For the war crimes in the other is just like the Geneva Convention, uh, example of criminal against a person. The next one is the types of war crimes, which is the crime against persons requiring particular protection. Example nito is yung murdering, tortured, and savaging people. Next is the crime against those providing humanitarian assistance and peacekeeping operations. The third is the against property and other rights, prohibited methods of warfare. The last one is the prohibited means of warfare. All these types is about of war crimes.